Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of powered by Shopify. So when you add your store link or website in Shopify, so the Shopify add the powered by icon in your website. So how to remove it? So first of all, what we need to do, just go to actions and now click on languages. So now wait for a few seconds. This page is being uploaded. And now here what we need to do, we just have to search powered by in this section. So how to do it? Just simply you have to go to search bar and now type here the powered. So when you type the powered, so click enter. So here you can see under the links option powered by Shopify. So if your store or website is added here, you can easily remove from them. So in this way you can easily get rid of powered by Shopify.